morning. We just finished buying water, guys. Now we're going home.
We're going to Metzler's.
Oh yeah?
Beth is going home. I'm going to Lester's to have tacos with Lester and Chaz.
Chaz. Slowly, bump, bump, bump.
Oh, yeah.
Seems like that's the house, the rent house of doing. See the car. Oh yes. Main highway. I forgot we will stop to Lester apartment. A house rather. And chat. So this is the bamboo stick on the highway where we bought always the bamboo. Kuya Nestor.
Oh, that gas station went up. Truck there at Nest, I go out there.
Hi guys, we're here at Lester and Chat house. Let's chat there. Hello. Sexy one. We're having a special taco here. This is different really. Wow, so yummy.
You need help?
We have here, I don't know what's that. Ansani Day.
What? This one?
Beans and
tofu.
tofu. Wow. And that is lettuce. Wow, very special.
Ooh, it's hot.
Thank you. Papay ko ni kaon.
Whoa!
Hi guys, we're having feast here. So yummy, really.
Sometimes we're eating tacos all tacos again.
Sure, she's catching me.
Phil knows how to do it.
Oh, there you go. How's the taste, Daile?
Oh, it's good. Excellent.
Special.
It's a
Different.
vegan taco. There's no meat in it, but a lot of beans.
That's
As you can
kidney
see.
beans. Is this kidney beans?
Kidney beans and pinto beans. Both.
Mm.
And onions. And some tofu. There's some tofu in there too.
It's really yummy, guys. Good thing we stop here. And with the juice. Wow, super yummy. Thank you, Lester.
You're welcome.
And chat.
Welcome.
Hi guys, we're having a break here.
Yeah.
A break.
A break in.
We can have a second batch taco. We're run out of taco here. So yeah, Meryl.